Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn how we can delete the MS SQL instance in GCP Cloud via Cloud Shell or Terminal. So we will use Cloud Shell, sometimes called as Terminal, okay, to delete the database instance of Microsoft SQL Server. So let's go to the Google Chrome, open the console. So this is the console URL. Go to the navigation menu, left hand side, and there you will see Cloud SQL. Okay. Further, you can see instances. Click here. So as you can see, this is my instance currently up and running fine. If you can see the green check mark. Okay. This is the information of my instance. So it's the SQL Server 2022 Express. This is the public IP and all these relevant informations. Okay. Click on instance. Okay. Either we can delete from here using console, or we can use the cloud shell. So earlier we have done that through console. Okay, we have deleted this instance through console. Now we will delete this through using the cloud shell. Okay, so if you can see this icon, we need to activate the cloud shell. Click here. This will ask for authorization. We need to authorize that. Authorization is completed and terminal is opened successfully. Okay, so let's jump into the documentation page. So this is the documentation page of GCP. So how we need to delete an instance? So there is a simple command gcloud SQL instances delete, and then you need to provide your instance name. You can also provide the project ID. Okay, project ID or project number. So we need to just copy that. Okay, and we can just paste here. So before going ahead, I just want to show you some information. So if you want to enable the final backup and all these things, you can use these parameters. Okay, these values you can use. So here as well it is written, if you want to take a final backup of the instance, then use the following flags. So these flags we can use. Okay, enable final backup. Set the value of this flag to true to take the final backup. If you want to delete the instance without taking the final backup, set the value to false. Okay. Another flag is that final backup descriptions. You can provide the details about the final backup descriptions. The default value is empty. You can provide as per your convenience. Okay. So all this information is written here. You can go through this. So let me copy that. Let me put this in Notepad, and I need to use this flag. Okay, true. I want to take the final backup. Copy this, paste here in the cloud shell, and hit enter. See, this gives the error. The project property must be set to valid project ID. So we don't have that project ID if you remember. See, there is no instance name and there is no project ID. So we need to provide the valid information. So intentionally, I have created this error. Okay, just to show you. Suppose is if you see, I have the instance ID this one. Okay, copy that and paste here. And what is the project ID? If I go to the home page, then from there I can have the project number or project ID. So let's copy the project ID, replace that. Okay, now that is done. If I copy and if I replace that, That flag I haven't touched because there was no change in that. Let's clear that first. Right click, paste, and enter. So as you can see that all of the instance data will be lost except the existing backup when the instance is deleted. Okay, so this is the notification. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. I need to type Y and hit enter. And now as you can see, this instance is being deleted. Okay, so the instance is deleted. Okay, as you can see in instance tab as well as in terminal, there is a notification. Okay, so this is how we can delete the SQL instance in GCP environment using Google Cloud Shell or terminal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.